So, PSM 1000 is one of the products we're showing here at Plaza Focus. PSM 1000 is our top-end in-ear monitoring system. About a year ago, we introduced PSM 900. PSM 1000 sits above this, and if you will, is the UHFR of the in-ear line. Some of the differences that set PSM 1000 apart from 900. First off, it's a dual-channel metal chassis transmitter unit. Has a wider tuning bandwidth, so we can actually, if you're a touring company and so on and so forth, you have a larger window to look at and program your in-ear systems into. There's also a network connector on the back of the transmitter, which allows us to network this with other Shure network products, as in UHFR or Axience. So this is fully works on the Wireless Workbench software, which allows us to coordinate not just our in-ears, but any wireless systems that may be in the vicinity. One of the other major differences from 1000 to 900 is the pack. It's actually a diversity pack, so as you see we have two aerials that are exactly the same. The improvements in terms of the RF reception with this are pretty significant when you compare it to the standard packs that only have one aerial on this. Probably mainly from a multi-part interference point of view, but definitely a big difference on these as well. Another difference on the pack is that PSM 1000 is fully rechargeable, so you can use standard AA cells in here, or a proprietary custom lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which naturally increases your, actually virtually doubles your battery life to whatever you're getting on your AA's. You'll see there's a couple of contacts on the back of the unit as well. You can either separately charge the rechargeables, or you can even stick this just into a tray and charge it as a unit by itself. Some of the functions inside PSM 1000 have been improved quite dramatically as well. We're able to do a full spectrum scan with this receiver, so I could in theory go stand in the middle of the stage where the performance happens, do a full spectrum scan with this unit. Once I've taken the scan using the receiver, I can obviously see it on the little screen, scroll around, get real-time dBm readings and so on. But I'm able to use the sync function in the transmitter and sync my spectrum scan into the transmitter and actually get a visual representation here of what the RF landscape looks like. Now, using the deploy button, I could program any receivers or transmitters, whether it be in-ears in the entire system. So give you a nice little flashing light show, and in this case you see we just programmed two, but this could be any number of network units, and it would just program onto the clean spectrum that the receiver found using its scan. Some of the other functions that set PSM 1000 aside is a point-to-point mode. What I can do with a PSM 1000 transmitter is just like with PSM 900, is actually set the device into a point-to-point mode, which allows us to basically jump onto the tone key of UHFR and do long-distance point-to-point applications. So, for festivals, for example, you need to send a stereo audio signal across 500 meters where running a cable is impossible. All you need to do is change the operational mode of the transmitter, and it will talk directly to the UHFR receivers as well. And I think that kind of sums up the PSM 1000 in short. Wider tuning bandwidth, dual channel metal chassis, network jack in the back, and the receiver is rechargeable and a diversity pack. Thank you very much.